Hey, hello. How you guys doing? Me? I'm fine. I'm out here with my daughter right now. Yeah. And we're here to tell you that I got an unboxing of Deluxe Car Care's products coming, which might be tomorrow or the following day. But we're going to do an unboxing of Deluxe Car Care and some of the products I just ordered, which I want to be doing some reviews. Keep in mind the channel is not just going to be based on reviews. It's going to be based on my car, racing, local people's cars, my team, a bunch of stuff. And most of the stuff may take off in 2021 when COVID kind of dies down, which we probably both know it won't. But yeah, we got that going on. We got more products on the way. And the one thing I want to talk to you guys about in this quick little video today, it's not going to be a very long video, is the giveaway. So we do have a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So you have to be subscribed to the channel in order to win the giveaway. And it's a little kit right now. So it's a small detailing kit. I will try to provide it somewhere here in the screen. And then we'll go from there. All right. So there's another kit as well. It's another stand-up kit. We're going to do that later on. So we're going to do a bunch of giveaways on this channel. It's not just going to be detailing kits. Most of them might be, though, because, I mean, come on, it's a car channel, so give away some detailing kits. But make sure you subscribe, though. So if you subscribe, you can get the chance to win a kit. Yeah, it's free. I mean, why not? And then we're cleaning up in the garage today, doing a few things out here, and I'm going to do the unboxing of Deluxe Car Care, the products I ordered to be doing on this car and the reviews. We got future content coming as well, so keep that in mind. And yeah, it should be just about wrap it up. However, if you guys want to shop at Deluxe Car Care, say if you don't win and you guys want to use my code, there is a code. Oh, yeah, there is a code. Yeah, saves you 10%. And it's Pedretti 10. So all caps. I'll also leave that down here. You know, whatever, somewhere. It's going to be on the screen. So go to deluxecarcare.llc.com, and then you go on there. You use my code at the checkout, and you should be great. And hopefully you guys win. All right. Best free-for-all for everybody. Have y'all fight. I'm going to watch it. No, I'm just kidding. But subscribe. You really need to. Oh, boy. She's already catching on. You're not open the door now? That's no bueno. This shit's, like, really common. They always fall. Well, I mean, I haven't drove the car in a while, but they usually fall. So, alright, well, let's get to cleaning this garage. I got some moving around to do. Catch you guys in the next video.